Welcome to Everything Currency. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about how to buy some Lukso token if you're in the US or if you can't get it from any of the centralized exchanges. Now, Lukso is on 3 centralized exchanges at the point of recording this video. It is on Gate.io and Kucoin, which you are not allowed to use if you're a US citizen, and it's also on Crypto.com, which US citizens are allowed to use, but you can't withdraw to mainnet. You can't withdraw to your up profile or to your MetaMask. So we're going to talk to you about how to do that in a self-custody way. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so right now we see that Lukso is at 770 since it has had a nice little bit of jump from being listed on crypto.com, but it hasn't translated to a lot in the ecosystem yet because it is still very hard and particular to get yourself some Lukso onto your Universal Profiles wallet. So for those who don't know, the Universal Profile or the UP extension is the main wallet for the Lukso ecosystem, but you also can use a regular RPC and use it on MetaMask if you would like, but I'm going to be using a Universal Profile for this tutorial. So if you don't have one, come to the Chrome store and get yourself a Universal Profile. Right now there's only 2,000 users with this wallet for a token that has a $234 million market cap. Now for some, they're gonna think that this is bearish, right? But for me, I'm gonna say you are very early because we've been watching Lukso, what they've been building. They have been taking their time getting it right. I wasn't gonna do it. But anyways, right here we can see, go ahead and set up your Universal Profile, write down your private keys in a very secure place. Then you can come to the Universal Profile and add yourself a picture for whatever. I set up my profile with the banner and a photo, but I have my Universal Profile right here, and the main thing I'm going to need is my wallet address where I want to send my Lukso to right here. Then I'm going to come over to something that is called RocketXchange, and it's the URL is app.rocketx.exchange. I will have a link in the description. It will be a referral link, but if you don't like using those, then go ahead and go to the RocketX Twitter, make sure it's the right one, or just look right up here, app.rocketx.exchange. Now this protocol is actually pretty nice because it allows you to swap between different blockchains natively. So you can swap native Solana for native Bitcoin, or you can swap Bitcoin for Ethereum, or you can swap Ethereum for Lukso, or Bitcoin for Lukso, or Matic for Lukso, or Atom for Lukso. So if you click right here where it says the network that you want to start from, if you click on it, you can see you have a bunch of different options. So the first thing you want to do, come up here and connect the wallet that you want to pay with. So I'm going ahead and connect, I got my Ethereum wallet connected up here. You should know how to do that already. If not, there's going to be a big wallet button right here. You'll click Ethereum and then go to MetaMask. Then I want to swap for Lukso. So what I'm going to do is I'm connected to my MetaMask up here. I'm going to click over here. I'm going to go to ETH right there. Got my Ethereum, and I'm going to click down here where I want to swap to, and I'm going to just type in LYX. There you see the Lukso token right there, and now you're going to be able to swap ETH for Lukso natively. Then what I want to do is I want to take my UP address, which I copied right here, and I'll post it in the recipient address section right. It froze. So what happened there when I thought it had froze, but what actually happened was there isn't any liquidity with trading ETH into Lukso because the trading pair for Lukso is with USDT. So we can see it says insufficient liquidity right here. There is no pool for it, but when I click here, I can change this from ETH to USDT, and now I should get a quote for my Lukso transaction right here. It says that I can get 1 Lukso for about $7.74, and the price right now is $7.70, which is actually pretty good because it's over $8 on crypto.com right now. And then we can see it'll show up right here. For $1,000 USDT, I will get $992 worth of Lukso. I can go ahead and do my cross-chain swap, but I don't have any USDT in this wallet. But once I hit the cross-chain swap button, well, what happens is my Ethereum network would send a transaction to my MetaMask, which would deposit and send the funds, and then the Lukso would come out to my Universal Profile wallet. Now, this is something that is very simple and very useful to do. A lot of people are still stuck on using bridges, which bridges get scammed a lot. They lose a lot of money because your money actually has to stay there for a certain amount of times, and that's just not good. But using cross-chain swaps and cross-chain liquidity pools, it is actually pretty dope that we can get some mainnet tokens, some Lukso, to our wallets in a decentralized manner. Now, before we get out of here, for those people who are big Lukso fans, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the Lukso chart because it looks very good. So this is the chart of Lukso right here on the daily. Now, this chart only goes back to the day that it actually got migrated, because of course Lukso has been around for over 2 years, and this one is only from July of this year, so there's not much data to go by on this chart. But this is the weekly chart, and in the short term it looks like we want to have a bit of a retracement a little bit, but we have some major support right here at this level, which is the level that we're holding right here. So as long as Lukso stays above $7, things are looking good as far as I'm concerned, but I see no reason why it should be taking out the all-time high for LYX and also the all-time high for LYXE, which is higher at $16. So subscribe to the channel, stay tuned. We will be talking about some more Lukso, some more projects, and some more dope things coming here soon in the future. Don't forget to leave me comments in the comment box of anything you would like me to take a look at, and if it is a good idea or a nice video, I will make that for you. Don't forget to check out my Telegram group. It is open right now. The prices will be going up as soon as we start doing a whole bunch of more stuff in there. So y'all think positive, and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.